Welcome back to Bike Update, the place where motorcycle passion meets pure adventure. Today, we are diving into the all-new 2026 Honda XR350R, a motorcycle that is making waves in the off-road and dual-sport world. Honda has always been a name synonymous with reliability, durability, and performance, and with the XR350R, they are bringing back a legendary formula in a modern package. This machine is built to conquer trails, handle city streets, and push boundaries like no other. The legacy of the XR line. To understand the significance of the 2026 XR350R, we must look at the roots of Honda's XR series. From the early XR250R to the legendary XR600R, these motorcycles built their reputation on toughness, off-road capability, and versatility. Riders across the globe trusted XRs for enduro racing, long-distance trail riding, and even desert rallies. The XR350R was originally introduced decades ago as a mid-range option, balancing lightweight handling with enough power for serious off-road riding. Honda has revived that iconic balance, but now with 21st-century engineering. Design and styling. The 2026 Honda XR350R is rugged yet modern. Its design language reflects adventure, with sharp bodywork, a high-mounted front fender, and a sleek, narrow profile built for maneuverability. Honda's designers have kept the XR's classic DNA but refined it with LED lighting, updated plastics, and ergonomic improvements for long rides. The bike's slim fuel tank and aggressive stance show that it's made for serious off-road enthusiasts who also need comfort for daily use. Engine and performance. At the heart of the XR350R lies a 350 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, four-stroke engine. Honda has tuned this engine for optimal torque delivery across low and mid-range RPMs, making it ideal for climbing trails, navigating rocky terrain, and powering through sand or mud. It produces around 38 horsepower, which may not sound extreme, but its smooth, linear delivery ensures maximum control and efficiency. Fuel injection ensures precise throttle response, while a 6-speed transmission gives riders flexibility on both highways and dirt paths. The balance between power and control is what makes the XR350R stand out. It's not just about speed, it's about endurance, reliability, and confidence in challenging conditions. Honda engineered this bike to perform without demanding excessive maintenance, a core trait of the XR heritage. Suspension and handling. The 2026 XR350R features a fully adjustable long-travel suspension setup. With inverted front forks and a ProLink rear shock, it can absorb everything from sharp rocks to deep ruts with ease. Riders will appreciate the ground clearance, which sits at a generous 12 inches, making it ready for hardcore off-road exploration. Handling is precise and responsive, thanks to Honda's focus on centralizing mass and keeping the chassis lightweight. The steel frame offers durability, while modern geometry ensures agility in tight trails. Whether carving through dirt switchbacks or cruising on pavement, the XR350R delivers stability and confidence. Braking system. Stopping power is crucial, especially in unpredictable off-road conditions. The XR350R is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, featuring wave rotors for improved cooling and performance. Honda has also integrated switchable ABS, allowing riders to keep control on-road while disabling ABS for pure off-road riding. This dual setup ensures that the bike is safe for beginners but versatile enough for experienced adventurers who demand precision. Comfort and ergonomics. Honda has taken ergonomics seriously with the XR350R. The seat is slim yet comfortable, designed for both long trail rides and urban commutes. The riding triangle, seat, handlebars, and foot pegs, is optimized for standing and sitting positions, giving riders flexibility depending on terrain. The bike also features a lightweight clutch system, smooth gearbox, and easy-to-access controls. Whether you're an experienced enduro rider or someone exploring dual-sport bikes for the first time, the XR350R is approachable and user-friendly. Technology and features. Unlike older XR models, the 2026 XR350R embraces modern technology. A fully digital LCD display shows speed, gear position, fuel level, and trip data. LED headlights and indicators enhance visibility, while a USB charging port ensures you stay connected even on long journeys. Honda has also added multiple riding modes to adapt throttle response and traction control depending on conditions. Riders can switch from a road-friendly setting to an off-road focused mode with ease. These features make the XR350R not just a rugged off-roader, but a versatile companion for adventure riders of the modern era. Fuel efficiency and range. Adventure bikes demand good mileage, and the XR350R delivers. Thanks to its fuel-injected 350 cubic centimeters engine, riders can expect efficiency that balances power and economy. With its mid-sized fuel tank, the bike offers an impressive range, making it suitable for long-distance trail rides without frequent fuel stops. This efficiency is a major advantage for riders exploring remote areas. Durability and reliability. Honda has always been known for making bikes that last, and the XR350R is no exception. From reinforced frame construction to weather-resistant components, this bike is designed to withstand punishment. Whether exposed to mud, rain, or rocky terrain, the XR350R is built for resilience. Maintenance is also simplified, making it attractive to riders who don't want constant workshop visits. Who is it for? The 2026 XR350R appeals to a wide range of riders. For beginners, it offers a forgiving yet exciting learning platform. For off-road enthusiasts, it delivers rugged performance and reliability. For adventure riders, it bridges the gap between trail bike and daily commuter. In short, this bike is for anyone who values versatility, toughness, and Honda's engineering legacy. Price and availability. Honda is expected to price the XR350R competitively, making it an attractive option for both beginners and seasoned riders. With Honda's global presence, availability will cover key markets in North America, Europe, and Asia. Riders worldwide will soon have the chance to experience this modern-day XR legend. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda XR350R isn't just another motorcycle, it's the revival of a legend. By combining Honda's XR heritage with modern innovation, this bike captures the spirit of off-road exploration while meeting the demands of today's riders. Durable, reliable, and versatile, it is designed to inspire adventure and confidence in every journey.